Okay, this is Soy Ram Buttri, and over there is also Soy Ram Buttri, and over there is Khaosan Road, and we're gonna walk down Soy Ram Buttri, cross the way, so we'll just see what's all over here. We're kind of in the Khaosan Road area, basically. So this place. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this place, I remember years ago there wasn't anything here, and now there is. So I don't know how long it's been here, but the first time I came was '96, and it definitely wasn't here at that time. Khaosan Road was though. You got some open bars, you got lots of restaurants, and we're gonna just film and go down all of it. I see more of these themes right here, these guys. So there's another one that's kind of similar to this one that's directly behind us, about 5 to 10 minute walk. Maybe it's a chain, maybe it's the same owner. Actually, this has it too. And somebody was explaining to me that these actually aren't Thai. These are actually, they just kind of find all kinds of interesting stuff and make it available. So, all right. These are little drinks that you can get. Let's see what else. Yeah, somebody else was explaining to me that in Thailand there was a big drama about those things, about those drinks that they do in the street like that. Basically that, you know, they're not always sanitary. So, okay. Hotels. I'm always surprised they always have cars that go down these roads. Let's see if we can cross a little bit. Wow. Massage places. More shirt shops. Mango. Actually, this is all fresh mango. This whole store is all fresh. Not fresh. It's all packaged. Okay. Dry foods. Okay, we're gonna continue on and see what else we have. See, I don't know, some of these shops, I don't know if they're closed for the holidays or because it's too early or it's too late. It's like they're setting up, so maybe it's a little too early. It is maybe 4:30, something like that. So, okay, this is where we came from. A lot of clothing. Hello, how are you? So let's see. Bruce Lee. Actually, Bruce Lee is written in Japanese and Russian. So you got Japanese characters and Russian characters. Huh. And Thai. Interesting. Huh. A lot of them written in Japanese. Okay. Okay. It's a pretty mellow street compared to Khaosan. No shirts. Sandals. Yeah, this is kind of an interesting street because like in this street it feels like everybody just came to Thailand for the first time. Flags. So when you're walking down the street it feels like people just arrived first time. So this road turns into this, and we'll just keep going down a little bit further. Looks like we're kind of getting into the sunset part, so it's going to be a little harder to see. So maybe we'll just conclude it right in this space right here.